Today we're going to try and fix this damage here on the door where his bus had rolled away when the parking brake let off and hit another bus, actually a Prevost I believe it was. That was before the first time he brought it to me. So this side is straight and I think it's going to be pretty solid there. We're just going to try and push that out using the porta power, kind of spreading the load over here and then hitting it there. So we'll see how this goes. I suppose there's three options here. One is we can make it better. Two is it'll stay the same. And three, we can make it worse. But I don't think we can make it worse as long as we're keeping an eye on what we're doing and going slow with the porta power. If I start to see something happening over here that I don't like, we will stop. I am not a body man to do this kind of thing. I don't have the, we're just going to use this porta power and hopefully it'll push this out so his door can close properly. Right now, it does not. You can see how pushed in the bumper is there. That's preventing the door from properly closing. On an MCI, that's supposed to actually latch as it closes over center, and it's not latching. It's got little ways to go still, and then you're supposed to be able to open them back up once it does latch by pushing this button here, and that pushes the handle that's latched back over center out. It worked before this incident where the bumper hit another bus, so let's see if we can push this out and correct this enough where his door can latch. I don't expect it to be perfect, but if we can get it to close, I know he's going to be a lot happier. He's going to be pretty ecstatic about that. This end, I'm going to use a kind of a bigger footprint block here. Let's see how this does. This stuff's about as hard as steel. It's really a two-person job. Well, that appears to be working. Nothing bad is happening over here, and I'm watching that push out. I suppose you want to see both ends, though. it was just this inner popping back here. I think that's what we want to happen. I'm going to keep trying to get that as a straight line there. It is still bowed in. I think I can keep going. Boy, that is moving. I'm going to go 2 more pumps and then check it. Maybe 3. I should probably stop there. Oh, it came back a lot. Let's push it a little beyond. Let's stop there. See how much it comes. Wow. I don't like that. Let's see if we made any improvement. We have definitely made an improvement. But that bumper is what really needs to be pushed out. That's a much better fit than it was a few minutes ago. I could keep trying, keep going. Nothing bad is happening over here. That's staying strong. I think I can keep going. Here we go for round 2. Well, that's pretty close. I don't know how much it's going to retract. Let me see. Start to loosen the jack here. Yeah, it's still coming back. Boy, it comes back a lot. All right, here's the real test. Can we get the handle to go back over center? Slam the door. I had to hit it a little harder. The handle is over center. Door does not open. Come over here. Oh, you can definitely feel it, and that pushed the handle back out. Tim is going to be happy.
up his tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in old Lenny the Silver Sides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 47 Hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. See that 4104 with the propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows in Detroit there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue Silver Sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Now he's moved his family to the hills of Tennessee. Watch that bus grease monkey make his home, bringing buses back to life with the help of his dear wife. Watch that bus grease monkey get it done. Well, he travels town to town looking on them old greyhounds. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in old Lenny the Silver Sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?